Hello everyone, I'm Hauser from the Revolutionary Puppets, inviting you to our very first puppet show in June. June 6th. 2015, June 6th, 2015, at 11 a.m., not p.m. Who would go to see a late night puppet show? Alright, the show's gonna be at St. John's Lutheran Church at the address listed below. Well, that doesn't seem right there. Let me try it again. There you go. Hope to see you there.